In this guide, we're going to go over how you can fix Snapchat not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's a few different error messages. The most common one is going to be the C14A error. And that usually means that Snapchat servers may be down. But before assuming that, I want to try a few quick fixes that you should go through. The first thing that you're going to want to do is back out of Snapchat and open up the settings app on your device. It's going to work on iPhone and Android, but it's essentially go all the way down to the very bottom, select apps, and then find Snapchat in this list or just search for it just like so and open it up. Once you do that, go to make sure that Snapchat has access to photos, camera, microphone, and cellular data. If any permissions are turned off, go ahead and turn them on here. If you're on an iPhone, back out as well and go up to the general tab right here, select it, scroll down a little bit to iPhone storage, and what you're going to want to do is go to Snapchat as well. So type in Snapchat, hit it, and then hit offload app. This is going to clear any temporary files and can fix bugs without removing your data. On Android, do the exact same thing, except go to settings, app, Snapchat, storage, and then tap clear cache, not clear data. Now from here, you're going to have to open up the App Store, the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and just check to see if there's an update available. If there is, update it. And if none of that works, that just means Snapchat is going to be down for you. Open up a browser, search for Down Detector, and on that site, search specifically for Snapchat. If you see a spike in reports, that means that there is a server issue. And in that case, there's nothing wrong with your phone or your Snapchat app directly. You're just going to have to wait for the Snapchat service to go back up and Snapchat themselves to fix it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.